Hey, Kuya, what's that?
Carbonara ramen. Spicy ramen. Bulldog. And I'm going to try it. Bulldog carbonara. Hot and spicy. Hot dog. I'm going to try the spicy bulldog ramen. It tastes good and spicy.
You okay?
Yeah.
You're not... It's not that spicy? Kayang mo siya?
Yes.
Ano, it's hot?
Yes.
Ano, what do you want? Do you want water or you want to have another bite?
Water and have another bite.
Okay.
This is my second bite. Tastes spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Okay, you're brave.